Hello, Adam speaking. Hey, how you going? Oh, funny, you've just called at the perfect time. I've just had a new listing of mine. Yeah, it's on a 600 block. It's walking distance to the Beachmere Taven and shopping centre. Best of all, it's probably about 2 minutes walk to the ocean. Yeah, so inside we've just had a renovation 2 years ago. Yeah, it's a nice open plan sort of kitchen, plenty of room to move around and plenty of bench space. Yeah, it's definitely air conditioned. It's a hot day and I'm feeling comfortable right now. You have 3 large bedrooms. The main bedroom's got an ensuite. Yeah, so just heading into the backyard now. The deck's new, it's only been here a couple months. Yeah, it's in great condition, it looks fabulous. Oh, big yard, absolutely. So I'm looking at the yard now, there's plenty of room for kids to run around and play. So there's also a workshop on this property, plenty of room to fit tools. If you've got a hobby, you can hang out in here. Also behind the shed, you've got the double side access, so yeah, you could park a boat. Being Beachmere, there's great fishing, so yeah, plenty of room for the boat, and I think this property's great. Awesome. Well, I look forward to seeing it. Are you guys ready to go?
No mate, we got everything, that's a wrap.
Already?
Yep, done.
Awesome. Let's go.